me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey you guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So I was super excited to make this video today because as you can see, my hair is colored. I love coloring my hair. I haven't been able to color my hair in so long because ever since I moved to LA for modeling, my hair has had to be blonde. But I finally was able to dye my hair with this temporary color that I'm about to talk to you guys today. So yeah, as you see, my hair is this nice rose gold color. Also, I know y'all can see my waves coming in a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about how you can temporarily color your hair in like under 10 minutes. And yeah, so we're gonna jump right into the video because I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so I was sent these products by Clairol hair color. So this is like their Halloween hair hacks mermaid temporary dye. So I also wanted to show you guys this video as soon as possible just in case you wanted to use these for any Halloween looks you guys are doing. Last minute looks, no costume required, so you could like dye it. I'm thinking about dyeing my hair some cool color and doing like this bomb makeup look. Like, I'm so excited. So yeah, so they have different hair colors, and as you can see on the models, they're doing it for different, you know, Halloween looks because that's what they're advertising for during this season. So they did send me all the colors: Brilliant Ruby, Shimmering Bronze, Shimmering Copper, Shimmering Platinum, Brilliant Amethyst, and Shimmering Rose Gold. So these are shimmery metallic hair colors. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera, but this is a metallic hair color, so in the light it looks super like it looks super cool, like so mystical. Yeah, so y'all know I'm hype, okay? Because these rinse out after one shampoo, so I could do this like whenever I want. There's no better time to explore fun hair colors with your hair. Zero commitment required. Clairol Color Crave hair makeup is the beauty must-have that creates shimmering customizable color for all of your creative Halloween looks and washes out with shampoo. And you can even mix some of the different shades, like maybe this pink and purple, to get like all these nice colors, or like this platinum, and like whatever you want, like you can do it. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be talking to you guys about in this video today. Today the color that I used was the Shimmering Rose Gold, and all you have to do, I'm going to read you guys the instructions. Shake tube before use, squeeze tube until color appears on sponge applicator, swipe onto dry hair strands, heat with blow dryer to lock in color, and then wash it out with shampoo. So I am going to be showing you guys the steps on how I achieved this color. I'm super excited, y'all. Like, I love doing hair coloring videos. Without any further ado, we're gonna jump right into the tutorial, okay? guys, so here's how it looks once I applied the color and the heat to it. As you can see, it does have a metallic shimmer to it, and as you also see, I did get it a little bit on my forehead, on my ear, and some places like on my neck. So now I'm just gonna go wash that off, and then I'm just gonna come back to you guys with the final result. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so here's the final result. Yes, I did my eyebrows to match my hair. I love doing that. It's just such a fun look. So yeah, as you can see, it's a shimmery metallic rose gold color, and this is the color Shimmering Rose Gold. So I am super excited to try all the colors. If there are any specific colors that you guys want to see me do, just comment below and let me know. I hope that this tutorial was helpful and easy to understand. One thing that I was a little bit confused about though was, I don't know if I put too much in my hair, but after I did my hair and I was brushing it, the product was kind of like building up in the front. Like as I was brushing my hair to the front, a lot of the product was coming to the front, and I had to wipe it with a tissue, and it was getting in my brush. So I'm not sure if I put too much or if you're supposed to rinse it before you actually wear it, but that wouldn't make sense to me because I feel like if you can wash it out with one shampoo, then the color would come out. So I'm not sure, but right now it's dry and the color is not transferring to my hand or anything, and it looks super good. It is kind of blending in with my skin a little bit, which I don't like, but the color itself is really cute. Here's how it looks with flash. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Also, if you aren't already following me on Instagram, be sure to do that right now at Janai Kirsten. Also, I have tons of hair coloring videos on my channel, so be sure to go check all of those out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!